Hi everyone, the fourth season of Your Space Journey starts on February 1st. This season will be taking you on an exciting journey through the latest and greatest in space exploration. First up, we'll be diving into the Dragonfly mission to Titan, led by APL. This mission will see a drone-like spacecraft explore the surface of Titan, one of Saturn's moons, by making multiple flights during a 2-year mission. Next, we'll be showcasing QuadSAT's cutting-edge drone technology, which is being used to test and improve satellite communications. Then we'll be learning from Dean Regas, the author of 1,000 Facts About Space and How to Teach Grownups About Pluto, as he shares his knowledge and passion for space with us. We'll also be following the ESA missions Juice and EUCLID, which will explore Jupiter's icy moons and study the large-scale structure of the universe. So get ready to join us as we embark on this exciting journey through the final frontier and discover the latest and greatest in space exploration.
Your space journey.